whole day I cried a lot just because of this statement. So that time I was just thinking that one day I definitely I want to become an engineer, and I want to show you that yes, my father is also capable to do that, and I am also capable to, achieve those things. And now I feel that like definitely for some people we should show this kind of thing. Then only they will realize. How are you doing?
I'm doing great, ma'am. And you? How are you?
Yes, I'm doing fantastic too. Thank you for asking. So how is everything going on your side?
Everything is on track. All things are normal.
Okay. So you are running your channel also.
I started my yes, I started my YouTube journey last year. So that
Okay.
time I talked to you. You were the fifth one with whom I talked.
Oh, so you remember?
Yes, because in initial days I remember.
Hmm.
Nowadays it's normal. But that time starting a YouTube journey, making thumbnails, though there all things were challenging. So
Yes,
I
yes, you are
remember.
right. So we always remember the first things when we start something new. Even I remember that how I started my journey. So that time I know. But nowadays, like it's been more than 2 years now that I'm talking with the people. So sometimes I forget some of the people, and then they remind me, like we already connected. Then only I remember, oh, so we connected. So it happens with me
It
sometimes.
happens.
Yeah.
Right. Not only with you, it happens with everyone.
So which kind of content you are uploading nowadays? It is conversational videos or something else also?
Only conversation. In long videos, I upload only conversation. I whenever I started my journey, that time I made my mind that I am going to upload 1,000 videos. It will take 3 to 4 years. So in this time, I will be fluent in this language. So till now, I uploaded more than 250 videos. So in long video, I uploaded conversation video. So in shorts, I go to gym, I make a shop there and upload on channel. And I set another target that 1 year I will go to gym. So in out of 365 days, I I have went there. I think more than 200 days, 230 days.
Oh, okay. So you plan your like day or year already?
Yes, yes. I planned
Hmm.
everything.
Definitely it is good because when you plan something like that, that yes, you have to do this thing. So definitely we try to work upon those things. But for me, I'm not consistent that much. But like after 2 days or 3 days, I feel like I have to, do any conversation to make a rhythm of that.
Right now, how do you manage your work? Work from home or do you go to office?
Yeah, these days it is work from home itself. Uh, yeah, so that is
Okay,
why somehow I'm able to manage. Otherwise, but nowadays, like I have a lot of work. I would say the lot of um, workload. So because of that, I'm not able to do.
but okay, but you can manage. There is no need to worry. It's a part of our life.
Yes.
And okay, another thing, you started your YouTube journey 2 years back.
hmm
That time, what was your expectation, and now what is reality? Where do you see yourself?
Okay, so I would say that when I had started my journey, so I had only one thinking that I have to build my confidence level. So, and I thought if I'll shoot videos and if I'll come in front of camera and I will show myself in front of public, so in this way I can build up my confidence level because that time I was very underconfident.
Okay,
So this was only motto behind, start my journey, like YouTube journey, I would say. Initially, I had started with teaching mathematics, but it was taking a lot of my time, and I was not able to continue mathematics just because of my time schedule. So I suddenly shifted to English, and I knew that yes, it is very important for my career also because I'm working in IT company. So here, like communication skills is must. Like you have to speak in English
right,
only. So I was struggling a
very
lot
true.
at my workplace. So that was my weakness that time. So I just picked up those things like English communication and I started my journey. I would say that I'm enjoying also. And yeah, definitely I have built my confidence in like 2.5 years a lot. Now I'm not bothering too much, whether I'm making any mistakes or I have learned a lot like that. So you can say that it is going on the right direction now.
You have overcome this fear.
Yeah,
You are
exactly.
confident enough. So first, you wanted to get confidence. You already have got confidence.
Yeah, but I
And
believe
second
that.
thing, for private skill, okay, in private sector, communication skills matters. And we are speaking good. So both say, but upper is no limit. We have to furnish our skills day by day.
Yeah, but the other thing is that I feel that I'm lacking in public speaking. When it comes to speak in group meetings or publicly, if I have to, share my journey or maybe anything in English, so that time I scare a lot. So these things I still need to get, to improve. So that's why I can't quit my journey here. And you already know that English is a vast language. So we can't, learn in a
Right,
month or few months or in a year. So it's a ongoing journey. So I need to learn a lot. Every day we get
right.
to learn something new from the people, from any books or from news or anywhere, isn't
Right,
it?
absolutely right.
Yeah.
Right, physically.
So you do anything apart from speaking part to enhance your
Every
English?
every day I give 1 hour to this language. 30 minutes for speaking, 30 minutes for reading.
Mhm.
30 minutes I read something. Sometimes it may be grammar book or some news or article or self-help book or any PDF. But every day I study 30. I read or study 30 minutes, and I try to speak 30 minutes every day. 5 or 6 days in a week I do this thing.
Okay. Okay, I have one question. Like in India, like what
Okay.
happens, like when we see people who speaks very good English, they are a fluent speaker. They speak English very in a good manner. So we consider as they must be intellectual and knowledgeable person. What is your opinion? Do you think the same?
Okay. It's in society. It's common scenario that if you know this language, if you are speaking English, you will grab the attention.
Mhm.
People start noticing you. You will get more attention and respect also. Doesn't matter see in your degree or diploma what you have. You have
Mhm.
studied properly in your school days, college days, but they consider if he is speaking English, he must be well educated. But I don't consider this thing. I I don't think in this way.
Mhm.
Intellectual is different thing. Spoken English is totally opposite thing.
Yeah, but here people's mindset is like if somebody is speaking good English, even on YouTube also, I have also observed and felt like if somebody is speaking very good English, so they must be knowledgeable. So it is not always true. Yeah, they must have the good knowledge for this particular language, but we can't consider that yes, they have the knowledge on some other things as well, right?
Right, right.
But still, we
It's
feel,
language.
we Indian, we feel that if somebody is speaking good English, so definitely they must be intelligent person.
Right. It's everywhere in society. If you are going to giving interview in a private school, if you
Mhm,
have 95% marks in your degree or diploma, and you don't have a good command over this language. But another side, if a person have only 70%, but he is fluent in this language, they will provide job to that person, not you.
mhm. Yes, you are right. In some of
So
the
in India,
cases, yeah, in some of the situation, yeah, we can consider that when it is required, the skill. For example, like for the receptionist job, or maybe in some airlines, or in some places, your communication should be good, and you will be, recognized by your communication skills only. Yeah, communication is something
right,
different. We always compare English and communication same, but it is not
no,
always true. Yeah. Yeah, in some places English is must because ultimately you have to connect with global people, so we need to learn English language. But if you want to showcase your knowledge and skills in a proper manner, then your communication skills should be good. Like if I talk about my job, so we need to be presentable. Like we need to give presentation, we need to deliver all such things in English. So their communication skills matters a lot. So you should have this power
Right.
to make them and make people understand, and make your English attractive. Then people will appreciate you a lot.
They'll take it seriously.
Okay,
Right,
so
agree.
have you ever faced any kind of embarrassed moment regarding English?
Yes, I faced many problems in my life till now. I
Mhm,
remember in my college days, that time I was waiting for my bus at bus stop, and then one of like a senior citizen, he asked me that what do you do? I
mhm.
simply told him that I study in this college. So he asked me that to tell me the spelling of merit,
Okay.
and he asked me some another spelling. So,
Mhm,
but gave answer wrong. So
mhm.
he was staring me that time. So that was the first time.
Okay.
Time I thought that if you are student, so you must know English very well. And
Mm.
in I I'm a railway employee, so in train I do observe that some they are speaking in English because we every day like lakhs of passengers moving here to there, and some from South India, some from North India, some from various countries. So I listened to this type of conversation, and there was South Indian. If I wanted to talk to them, and one time in starting, I faced the incident that the one of South Indian guy, he was roaming here to there. He wanted to ask something, but that time I was not, I didn't know this language. I
Mhm.
wanted to help him, but I couldn't help him.
Yes, yes, yeah, it happens. It happened with me also many a times, I would say, because I did engineering and after that I came into the IT background, IT industry. So people already know this language very well because they know that ultimately you have, like they have to work with the global people. So they know English very
Right.
well. But for me, that it was really hard. And I remember one incident. So it was the very embarrassment moment that happened. I joined my company and there was some training session. In the initial phase, we had training session. So all the other employees were also there in that training session. So one of the sir, he asked one question, the very basic question he asked me. He just told me that you stand up and give me the answer of this question. So he asked in English and I had to deliver in everything in English.
English
I knew the answer already in Hindi, but I was not able to translate that time in English language.
translate.
Yeah. So he asked me like, from which college you did study. So he just told me that you completed your engineering and you don't even know the simple answer of this question. So what college is it and how they are giving the education like that. So that time I felt very embarrassed, not for only for me but also for my college. Like they stated in that manner. So that was the really embarrassing moment for me and I still remember.
Okay. Right now, does he know? Does that teacher in touch with you? In your touch?
No, no,
Does,
he's not.
nowadays, do he know that you are running a YouTube channel, or every
No,
day
no.
you are having this type of conversation?
No, no, no. He just came for giving us training only, training period.
You should find him and send a video link to him. Let's see where I am standing.
In some people, I really want to show some things. Like we always think that if we will achieve this thing, so we should show them. So I remember one more incident. It is not about English, but when I was doing, when I was in 12th standard. So, like, I was doing it from government school. So, I have done my schooling from government schools. So, one of my teachers told me that what you want to become after 12th. So, I just said I want to become an engineer. So, she just told me that. इन हिंदी, लाइक तेरे बाप के पास इतने पैसे हैं जो तुझे इंजीनियरिंग करा सकेंगे. And that made me, cry a lot, and I whole day I cried a lot just because of this statement. So that time I was just thinking that one day I definitely I want to become an engineer, and I want to show you that yes, I my father is also capable to do that, and I am also capable to, achieve those things. And now I feel that, like, definitely for some people we should show this kind of thing, then only they will realize that, no matter that, how they are, treating the people. So not everyone are same, same, so we can't say anything to anyone.
We can't make this type of judgment because we don't know that today you are at this place and in future where will you reach. So we
Yeah.
don't know. Future is life is full of uncertainty, but it's India, so it's full of foolish people. They never think before speaking, and especially in like everywhere you find these type of people. It's common,
At
and
least
you
if
can't
you
make them
can't,
understand.
if you can't raise people, so you can't, demoralize. You shouldn't demoralize.
Maybe her nature was she was querulous, and she was fighting with her husband, or maybe many things is going on in his life.
Yes.
Listen, some people they mix their personal life and professional life, so it
Yeah.
will ruin their profession completely.
Yeah.
Because
Right.
in personal life they have many problems. Some they are happy in their personal life, and but workplace is totally full of toxic people, toxic energy, and if we will intermix both things, so it will be completely messed up. If
Yes.
we at home we are talking about our job and this is pressure, that is pressure, so definitely it is not good. We don't make we don't make mixture of both things. Both are separate.
Yes. Yes. Definitely.
Okay, but till now you made two people wrong, make them wrong. Like one of sir, he made judgment from where have you passed out, and from your school days, the teachers made a statement that with the limited resources, how can you become an engineer?
Hmm.
But doesn't matter. With limited resources, we can fulfill our dream. In society is full of this type of example. Some they are coming from extremely poor background, and they are right now they are working as a IPS, IAS. They are achieved the maximum height in their life.
Yes.
We
Yes.
we studied in our school days about Abraham Lincoln, about Nelson Mandela, and Abdul Kalam. There are many more. Ambedkar.
Hmm.
So there are many examples. Like nature, everyone have their nature,
Yeah.
and nature can't change. So they have this type of mindset, and they are narrow-minded. We can't change their mentality.
Yeah.
They show their mentality. They are narrow-minded, and in their life they haven't achieved anything. Maybe they wanted to become big in their life, but they haven't achieved that thing.
Yeah.
Then thank you so much. Glad to meet you, and hope to see you. We will connect soon. Till
Yeah.
then,
Yeah.
bye. Take care.
Take care. Bye bye.